and I have a guest with me today,
Helen.
Helen.
Yes. Hi, I'm Helen, and I work in the community. I'm a community outreach specialist. If you're looking for me, come on through.
In your crates for the Moong curry dish, you'll have about a cup of soaked Moong, which is lentils, some coconut, some coconut milk with some mild curry in it, garlic ginger paste, and diced tomatoes. We also have rice because this dish is going to go over rice. Let's get started, Helen.
Yes, let's get started. Putting our rice in.
Yeah, this is going to have to go for roughly what, 7 or 8 minutes?
7
maybe?
8 minutes. Yes.
Yeah, so we'll let that go while we're preparing the rest of the meal. We're going to start to heat that oil up. Then we're going to add in our ginger garlic paste.
Yes.
Then we're going to be adding a couple of teaspoons of water eventually to this.
Teaspoon more.
No, not yet. Keep on stirring that.
It's getting there. Look delicious. Make it. Yes.
What a happy guest you are. I love having you here.
Thank you.
Start to mix that
Tablespoon of water. Here we go.
Keep stirring that. We want it to be a little bit creamy.
Yes.
So we probably are going to add more water, but we're just going to let this go right like this for now.
Okay.
Rice is not going to the degree that I need it yet.
We're getting there.
It's getting there. Have you ever boiled rice over before?
Yes, I did.
It smells good here.
It smells very creamy. We're stirring it up.
Once that starts getting really creamy, you start adding little bits of water and stir that so that the oil that's in there will start to separate from it because it won't be absorbing any more water. That's when we'll know that this is pretty much ready to move on to the next step. Okay.
I like it. It smells so good.
Yeah, it does. Are you ready?
Yes, come on with it.
So we just want to add a little water at a time, just so that it's making the sauce creamy and incorporating all the flavors.
Yes. We do a little stroke backwards. Go that way. Go around. Take your time. It'll get there.
It's called slow cooking.
Slow cooking.
Isn't that what it is?
That's what it is.
I think
Slow cooking.
that's really
I
a
like
thing.
that.
It's not McDonald's.
No, not even Burger King. Okay. Our rice is done. And she's coming with more water. Ready? Thank
You're
you.
a natural.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Putting the Moong in there.
Give it a stir, and then we're putting 3 cups of water in there.
That's 1. There's 2 cups of water. There's our 3 cups.
All right, and now we're going to turn that flame down up.
So we're stirring it. Give it about 20 minutes because it depends on how you have your fire built up to cook this and how you like your texture of your beans. So as me cooking today, we will like it well done.
I agree. Not mushy,
Not mushy, she said,
but soft.
but soft. And milk. And then you stir.
Did it turn that nice golden color?
Yes, it did. And we just pour it on in.
We're going to let it go for roughly 5 more minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It'll be better for 10 minutes. My tummy is ready. Come on. Look at it. Here. Right here. Look at that rice. You give it that last stir before you put it over the rice. Get all the flavor. And you kind of gently put your Moong curry over it. Look how gentle they are.
Look at it.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Look at
the
that.
smell, you guys, is just divine.
It's tasty time.
Tasty time.
Mmm. Mmm.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Mm.
We knocked ourselves out, Helen.
What a good time to be in this kitchen. Toodles. Hey, this is Helen, Equal Liberty 3. I love y'all. I'm cooking. If you need me to cook for you all, let me know on Paula.